Question number 12, x power y plus y power x equals to 1. We should find dy by dx here. So here we will consider u as x power y, v as y power x. So the expression is what? U plus v equals to 1. Now differentiate with respect to x. So we will get du by dx plus dv by dx equals to 0. This is equation 1. Now we will find du by dx separately and dv by dx separately, and we'll substitute in this equation. Okay, so since u is what? X power y, function power function, so LD type. So log u equals to log x power y, log u, y will come out, y log x. Now differentiate with respect to x. So 1 by u du by dx equals to, here product rule, y and log x. So y same, derivative of log x directly I am writing, y 1 by x plus log x, derivative of y is dy by dx. So what will be du by dx then? U into y by x plus log x dy by dx, and u is what? X power y. So this is equation 2. Now v is what? Y power x. So log v is what? Log y power x. Log v x log y. So differentiate with respect to x. 1 by v dv by dx, product rule. So first same, derivative of log y will be 1 by y dy by dx plus log y, and derivative of x will be 1. So then dv by dx you will get dv by dx you will be v times x by y dy by dx plus log y, but v is what? Y power x. So y power x, x by y dy by dx plus log y. This is dv by dx, equation number 3. Now in 1 and 2, from 1, 2 and 3, what we can write? What expression we got there in equation 1? Du by dx plus dv by dx equals to 0. So this expression plus this expression equals to 0 we will substitute. So du by dx is what? X power y, y by x plus log x dy by dx plus dv by dx is this, equals to 0. So what we should do here? Dy by dx we should find. So dy by dx we will keep at one side and other term other side. So see, this we can open here. So x power y and x power 1. So this 1 power will go up. So x power y minus 1 we can write into y plus x power y log x dy by dx plus this bracket also we can open, y power x minus 1, isn't it? This is y. So y power 1 into x dy by dx and plus y power x log y equals to 0. Now this dy by dx 2 term we can keep here. So x power y log x dy by dx plus x y power x minus 1 dy by dx equals to, these 2 term will go that side. So minus y power x log y minus y x power y minus 1. Now dy by dx common. So x power y log x plus xy power x minus 1 minus we can take common here. So dy by dx will be finally this bracket minus divided by this. So if you take minus common, this will become plus. So answer is dy by dx equal to this. Y power x equals to x power y. Again one example of implicit plus LD. So first we will use LD, means log we should apply. Log y power x, log x power y. Then law of logarithms. So x will come out, x log y and y log x. Now we can say now it is purely an example of implicit. So in implicit we do directly differentiation, isn't it? Differentiate with respect to x. So here product rule, x as it is, derivative of log y plus log y as it is, derivative of x. So 1 we can write equals to y will be same, derivative of log x plus log x same, derivative of yx, derivative of y. Now here derivative of log y, so 1 by y dy by dx plus log y will remain same. Here derivative of log x means 1 by x only. Here log x dy by dx. Now in implicit, what is the next step? All dy by dx term should come together, isn't it? So this one and this one we should write at the same side of the equal. So minus log x dy by dx is equal to y by x. This will go that side, log y. Now dy by dx term common. So dy by dx common, x by y minus log x, cross multiply y minus x log y. So dy by dx, here also cross multiply we can do. Now dy by dx will be equal to, here x is there, y minus x log y divide by, this will go up, and x into x minus y log x. Question 14, cos x power y, cos y power x. So we can apply log here, log cos x power y and log of cos y, because this is an example of LD plus implicit. So y we can take outside, y log cos x, x log cos y. Now we can differentiate. So product rule, y and log cos x, two functions are in product. So product rule, first function same, derivative of log cos x plus log of cos x is same, derivative of y, equals to, here also product rule, so x same, derivative of log cos y plus log cos y same, derivative of x is 1. Now derivative of log cos x means what? 1 by cos, and derivative of cos, it is example of composite function. So cos means minus sign. Here log cos x dy by dx, this term will remain same. See here also 1 by cos y, then derivative of cos y. So derivative of cos y is again in composite function. So derivative of cos y is minus sin y, and then derivative of y, which is dy by dx. So this dy by dx term we will shift together. Okay, before that this we can write y tan x minus y tan x, isn't it? Log cos x dy by dx plus equals to this, also we can write minus tan y dy by dx plus log cos y. So in next step these two term we will shift and this term should go that side. So log cos x dy by dx minus tan y will come plus tan y dy by dx, and here log cos y is there, minus y tan x will go that side plus y tan x. Now from these two term dy by dx common, so dy by dx common, log cos x plus tan y log cos y plus y tan x so dy by dx finally will be this bracket divided by this, so log cos y plus y tan x log cos x plus tan y, this is x tan y. Log of xy is equal to log of e power x minus y. So property we can use log x plus log y, and this power will come out x minus y log e. Since we know log e is 1, so we can write x minus y. Now differentiate with respect to x. So log x derivative is 1 by x, log y is 1 by y, and derivative of x is 1, derivative of y is dy by dx. So we will shift this dy by dx term here, 1 by y dy by dx plus dy by dx, 1 minus 1 by x. Dy by dx common, so remaining terms in bracket will be 1 by y plus 1. Here we can do cross multiplication, so x minus 1 by x. Here also we can do cross multiplication, 1 plus y by y. So dy by dx is, this y will go up, y into x minus 1 divided by x into 1 plus y. Four brackets in multiplication, so we will start using LD, that means log we should apply both the side. Then property of log, so log of 1 plus x plus log of 1 plus x square plus log of 1 plus x power 4 plus log of 1 plus x power 8. Now differentiate with respect to x. So log f of x, composite function, so 1 by f of x, and then derivative of f of x means f dash of x. Log 1 plus x means 1 by 1 plus x, isn't it? Then 1 by 1 plus x square into derivative of this. Here also we multiplied with derivative of composite function, but that is 1. Okay, but here it will come derivative of 1 plus x square will come 2x. Here 1 by 1 plus x power 4, here derivative of this will be 4x cube, and here it will be 8x power 7. So f dash of x we will get here f of x into 1 by 1 plus x, 2x 1 plus x square, 4x cube 1 plus x raised to 4, 8x power 7 divided by 1 plus x raised to 8. So f dash of x will be, now substitute f of x value, function value. So 1 plus x square and this bracket. Now next part of the question is find f dash of 1. Okay, so f dash of 1 means in this value, in this expression we should substitute x value 1. So here we will substitute x value 1. So f dash of 1 will be, here 2, here also 2 will come, here also, because 1 power anything will be 1, so 2. So this 4 bracket will give 2, and here it will be 1 by 2 plus 2 by 2, 4 by 2, and here 8 by 2. Okay, 16. See here it will go 2, 1 will go, so 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7, 7 and half will remain same. So this will be 15 by 2, isn't it? So 2 8s are 16, so 15 into 8 is 120. So f dash of 1 is 120. Question number 18. U, v and w are functions of x, then we have to show one expression is given to us. So d by dx of u into v into w by two ways, by repeated application of product rule and second by logarithmic differentiation. This we have to show. So what we will do first, by repeated application. So we should consider these LHS we will consider here. So derivative of u into v into w. So now this function we will consider as one function and then second function. So applying product rule, what we will get? First function same, derivative of the second one, second function same, derivative of the first one. Okay, so this nothing is going to happen in first function, but if you observe second function, this is again product of two functions, isn't it? So what we can write here? First function same, derivative of the second, plus second function same, derivative of the first. Now open the bracket. So w into u dv by dx plus w into v du by dx. If we compare the terms, so all are same. See, u v du w by dx last term, w u dv by dx first term, and this is first term and this one is second term. Now we will do by logarithmic differentiation. So suppose this function as y into u into w. So dy by dx we should find. That means first we will apply logarithmic differentiation, log of u into v into w. So 1 by differentiating with respect to x, so 1 by u du by dx. First we will apply property here. So log u is equal to log, sorry this is y, log u plus log v plus log w. Okay, now differentiate with respect to x. So 1 by y dy by dx will be 1 by u du by dx plus log v is 1 by v dv by dx, 1 by w dw by dx. So dy by dx will be what? Y into these all term in bracket. But what is y? Y is UVW. So we will substitute y value here. So dy by dx we will get u into v into w. Now open the bracket. So see, if you open the bracket, u will go in first term. So v into w du by dx. In second term, v will be cancelled. So u into w dv by dx. In third term, w will be cancelled. So u into v dw by dx, which is expression, right hand side expression, isn't it? So we have proved by both ways.